Welcome. Tonight, we're embarking on a journey into the realm of lucid dreams, a place where the boundaries of reality dissolve and you take full control of your dream world. Find a comfortable position. Lie down on your back, resting your arms gently at your sides. Close your eyes and let the soothing sound of my voice guide you. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. This is your time to relax, unwind, and open the gateway to your subconscious mind. Let's begin by releasing the tension in your body, one area at a time. Start at the top of your head. Imagine a wave of relaxation washing over your scalp, dissolving any tightness or stress. Now move to your face. Feel your forehead soften, your eyes become heavy, your jaw release all tension. Let the relaxation flow down your neck and shoulders. Allow them to sink deeply into your mattress, heavy and at ease. Feel this sensation travel down your arms, your chest, your stomach, all the way down to your hips. Let your legs become loose and relaxed, from your thighs to your knees, your calves, and finally, your feet. Your entire body is now in a state of calm, restful stillness. Now focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly, releasing all tension. As you breathe, become aware of the rhythm of your body, the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the steady beat of your heart. With each breath, you're drifting deeper into relaxation, deeper into your subconscious mind. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Let your awareness rest lightly on your breath. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to this moment, this breath, this space. Now, let's set an intention. Lucid dreaming begins with the power of intention. In your mind, silently repeat the phrase, "I am aware that I am dreaming. I am aware that I am dreaming." As you repeat this phrase, visualize yourself in a dream. Picture the colors, the shapes, the sensations. Imagine yourself becoming fully aware within the dream. You are the creator of this world. You are in control. You can shape the dream to your desire. Let's take a journey together. Picture yourself standing in a peaceful meadow at twilight. The sky is painted in soft hues of purple and blue. Feel the cool grass beneath your feet. Hear the gentle rustle of the wind. Notice how vivid and clear everything feels. In this space, you realize you are dreaming. The world is yours to explore. You can fly, walk through walls, or summon anything you desire. Take a moment to imagine what you would do in this dream world. Hold on to that thought. As you drift deeper into sleep, hold on to your awareness. Remember your intention. I am aware that I am dreaming. You may notice dream images starting to form. Perhaps shapes, colors, or faint scenes. Allow these images to come and go without judgment. Soon, these images will solidify into a dream. And when they do, you will remain aware. You will know you are dreaming. You are now fully relaxed. Your mind open and ready for lucid dreaming. Repeat silently to yourself, I am calm. I am in control. I am aware that I am dreaming. Let these words sink deeply into your subconscious mind. With each breath, you are drifting closer to your lucid dream. The dream world awaits you. When you enter it, you will know you are dreaming. Enjoy the journey, explore freely, and remember, you are in control. Sweet dreams and good night.